back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a 2020 Christmas haul. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad from last week's video is... Also, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Before I do this video, I also wanted to say I am not bragging in any way, shape, or form. This year has been a very hard time on everyone, and I am so thankful for everything I got. I was really surprised by the stuff I got as well, and I just wanted to put that out there. So I don't want to see like any people being like rude or anything, because like I'm very thankful for this. So for my big gift this year, I got a Nintendo Switch. I've been asking for this since last year. Well, not last year, since like this January. And I've been wanting one for so long. They've been sold out everywhere. And I finally got one. Here it is. Look how cute it is. I already have Animal Crossing. I have Fortnite. I have YouTube. And I have Among Us. I have all these games. And I'm really excited to play them. And look how cute the case is as well. Super cute. So that is my big gift, and I'm super thankful for this. The next thing I got was Baby Yoda. I love The Mandalorian. The Mandalorian is probably one of my favorite shows on Disney Plus, and I got a Baby Yoda stuffed animal. Look how cute he is. I love it so much. I wanted this one so bad, and I got it for Christmas. I also got another stuffed animal, which is this one. It says 2020. I get one like every year like this, and she's really cute. She has a little tutu on and stuff. Absolutely adorable. So I'm really thankful for that. And along with like the stuffed animal stuff, I got a Fortnite blanket. It's like a weighted one, so it's a bit heavy, and it has the llama on it. I really wanted a weighted blanket, so the fact it's Fortnite is really cool too. So that's what I got. Oh, I also got back here I got an avocado. Avocados are like one of my favorite like foods to eat and stuff, so like I got a little stuffed animal of this one. Super cute. Then for makeup, I first got this really cute makeup mirror, and if you push right here, it actually goes on, which is super cute, and it will go really well with my vanity, which I got last week, which I bought, and it's super cute, and I'm definitely gonna put that on my vanity. And here's the box for it. Then I also got another mirror, and I feel like I might use this one as well on my vanity. My mom got me two of them, which I think is really cool, and I'll definitely be using that. Then I also got this really cute headband. I'll try to show you guys it a little bit better. It's for makeup and stuff when I do my skincare. Yeah, but I'll be using that. And then I got this really cute highlighting palette. It's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it's super cute. I love makeup as well. And then almost last for the makeup products is I got this really cute palette by Profusion. Profusion is a really good brand, and look how many colors there are on here. It's super cute. And then last for makeup, I got these two, this liquid lipstick and this lip gloss. Then after that, I got this adorable wallet. This reminds me a lot of Fendi, and my mom got it for me because I've been needing a new wallet. It's super cute on the inside. And then I also got a new AirPod case because my other one was kind of getting like dirty and stuff. And then I got a new tripod to like film on the go. It's like flexible and stuff, and it has like a little switch to turn it on. Then I got these two Fortnite books. I love Fortnite so much, so I got these two books. And this one like has like the whole item shop in here. It's really cool. And this one is just like, I don't know, it's like a collector's thing. So that's really cool because Fortnite is probably one of my favorite games, along with Animal Crossing and Among Us and like all those games. Then I got this microphone. I love like having sleepovers with my friends and like doing karaoke. So I got this microphone for all of us to do like karaoke or even carpool karaoke. And then of course I got slime. I get slime every year, and here it is. I got this slimy sand, this other slimy sand. Maybe I'll do some Instagram videos on this. And then I got these two, they kind of remind me of kinetic sand. They're called Zand, and they're scented and stuff. And like I told my mom, these are like really good for stress and stuff, so I got those. And that's everything I got for Christmas. My older sister also gave me a gift card to one of our local coffee shops, so it was like $10 on the card, so thank you so much, Alexa. Yeah, but as I said before, I'm super thankful for everything I got. I didn't expect I'd get all this, and I'm really thankful for it. Every year I always say that for like a disclaimer in my videos, but I'm super thankful. I'm really thankful for the Nintendo Switch. I've been wanting one for so long, and I finally got one with an adorable case. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. In the comments down below, put what your favorite thing you got for Christmas was, and put what you're most thankful for. But yeah, remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below, give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace. And in the comments down below, also put some new video ideas. Bye guys!